In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new page and template on Shopify. For those of you managing your own Shopify store, you'll find that creating and managing pages is vital to building a well-organized professional online presence. Let's dive right in and I'll guide you through each step. First, you'll want to open your Shopify admin dashboard by heading over to your store's URL. Once you're there, look to the left sidebar and click on the Online Store tab. This is where you manage all your website's content, including your pages, blog posts, themes, and other customizations. Next, after clicking Online Store, you'll see several options appear. Click on Pages. This section will show you all the current pages on your site. Here you can edit existing pages or add new ones. To add a new page, locate the Add Page button and click it. A new page form will open up, prompting you to enter a title and content for your new page. In the title field, type in the name you want for your page. A clear and concise title will help visitors easily find what they're looking for when they visit your site. After entering the necessary details, make sure to save your work. Click on the Save button located at the top or bottom right corner of the page. It's a crucial step to ensure your page doesn't disappear if there are any connection issues. Ensuring visibility is the next step. Find the Visible toggle switch, which determines whether your page is live. Set it to Visible so everyone browsing your store can find this new content. Once again, click on Save to commit these changes. With your page now set, it's time to add a touch of customization by creating a unique template. Navigate back to the Themes section from your Shopify admin panel and click on Customize. Customizing themes allows you to design layout aesthetics tailored to your brand's feel. Inside the Theme Customization area, choose the Home Page option. From here, you'll want to focus on the Pages section. Once inside Pages, search and click on Create Template. This will be the blueprint for the look and feel of your new page. In the Create Template window, enter a name that describes its function. For our purpose, let's type in Highlight. This will help you easily recognize and select the right template when applying it to pages. Wrap up this process by confirming your actions. Click Create Template. There you have it. You've successfully created a new page and a custom template for special content on your Shopify store. This practice not only helps organize your store's layout, but also provides a more engaging experience for your visitors. Be sure to frequently evaluate and update your store's pages and templates to keep your brand's presentation current and visually appealing. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Happy selling!